In this video, we will learn about the sexual cycle in placental animals. Reproduction is the process through which organism passes their genetic material to the next generation. Different group of animals are having different mechanism to show the particular seasons for the reproduction process. Ms. Ranju Bajpai of Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
In placental mammals, there is a special type of cyclic changes which takes place during the reproductive phase of an animal, and these cycles, the changes occur in the ovaries, they occur in the reproductive tract and in the hormonal secretions, and according to that these animals are divided into two categories, placental animals, and the cycle is divided into two types. One is estrous cycle and second is menstrual cycle. Estrous cycle is a series of cyclic changes which takes place in the ovaries, reproductive tract and hormone secretions of non-primates. And the examples of non-primates are cats, dogs, etc. The menstrual cycle are these cyclic changes which takes place in the ovaries, reproductive tract and the secretion of hormones in the primates. And the examples of these primates are apes, monkeys and man, human being.
Cows, sheep, rats, deers and tigers are the examples of non-primates. The first menstruation begins at puberty is called menarche. Estrogen is a female hormone secreted from the ovary. Estrous cycle takes place in non-primates like cat, dog, etc. Menstrual cycle takes place in primates like apes, monkeys and humans.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.